How are you gonna prank the prankster? You ready for this, buddy?
I'm so ready.
Let's get these fools back, shall we? We have our ammunition ready.
Bruh.
Preach. You mess with the bull, you get the horn. Let me get the last ball. Same plan. We surround a bit, and then we do it. Yeah. You mess with the bull, you get the horns. Sweet revenge. Hey, what's up, man? At about 3 a.m. last night, I felt someone trying to break into my room. Any idea who that was?
That wasn't me.
Oh, that wasn't you?
Nah.
Screw you guys. Freaking shining lights in my room, making it feel like an alien abduction. I thought a probe was going at my ass for sure.
I think I'm gonna have PTSD from this.
Bro, did you see the noise? Play back the noise.
What up, guys? Hooman here, back with another video. It's finally time for a home tour video, but before we do that and go inside the house, I'm gonna take my friend Maria on a ride in a McLaren because she's never been in a McLaren before. Let's roll. We are back at the house. We may have gone a little fast, but I hope you had a good time.
I had a good time.
Okay, great. High five. Let's go inside and show the HoomanTV subscribers the new official HoomanTV mansion. Welcome, welcome. Come on in. So the first thing you see when you enter is two gigantic staircases. Here's the first room. And keep in mind, guys, we just moved here last week, so this place is not furnished. This room will be the poker rooms. This room right here is going to be a ping pong room. All right, let's go to the third room. This right here will be the media room. So we're gonna make a lot of YouTube videos in here. We got a bathroom right there. We got the kitchen here. Obviously have some friends over right now. Michaela, can we see your room?
There's just things that you can't see in there.
I'm very curious what you're hiding in your room that we can't see. Comment down below what you think Michaela is hiding in her room.
Please tell me what you think.
Wait a minute. Is that the girl I picked up in a Lamborghini?
Is it?
How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
It's been a minute.
Wait till you see the. No.
Alright, let's go see Mo's room. Mo!
Yo, what's good? Wait.
So we're gonna wait for Mo to set the mood in his room. This is where the magic happens.
You guys come here often?
What's this? This is a drill?
Oh,
This is a drill! This is not safe.
Nice, bro.
Yep, not gonna happen.
You ain't getting into my room.
This guy says we can't go into his room.
You ain't getting into
Yes,
my
he
room.
has defense. Watch out! Oh my god! Oh. Bro, my whole camera just got wet. Room service. Oh shit.
Oh, so this is my room. We just moved in, so I got an air mattress that I'm gonna return to Target. Socks all over the place. This is because I do not have a dresser yet. It's coming in the mail.
Wow, I like your room already, Jan. Alright, now, my room. Welcome to my room. I got my mattress here, some camera stuff right here. Computer's already set up. This is where the editing happens. This is what I wake up to every morning. Beautiful Los Angeles, baby. Hey, it's Michaela. Hi, Michaela. This is where I come into before I film a video and I go through my selection. Can I help you? Oh, dude, no. Okay, yeah, so
Yo, Yan!
this is my closet. I already got it wet, fool. Here's my bathroom. So now we're gonna go get Mo. Mo, come here. Act like you're in the shower. Now that you're stuck in there. Oh. Stop He doesn't know how to turn it off.
Backfired on me.
I do have a toilet here too, but it's nothing exciting. Here's my toilet back there. Oh, now let's go see Dom's room.
Nah.
So I have 2 videographers living here and they're sharing a room. Can we go into your room? That is embarrassing.
As you can see, I didn't buy a bed.
Dominic's living the simple life. I like
5
it.
cents a day. You can-
Respect. Military gear. My boy's a Marine. Hey.
Yes, sir.
Dope. Nice closet. Why is your closet light pink, boys?
You guys know how Evan is.
Look who it is. Hey, buddy. What's up, buddy? Hey. Glad you made it. There's one room left that you guys haven't seen. This is the movie room. This place needs to be cleaned up.
It was actually really clean before, but he had a Tinder date over here last night, so this is why it's actually like this.
Yeah. All right, let's go back to meeting people. This is my manager, Div.
Always
already
working.
closing deals for us. We got Mozzie.
What's up? I'm Caitlin.
Hey, nice to meet you, Caitlin. Who, man? Nice to meet you. And AJ's in the house, too. And now, we're gonna go to my favorite part of the house. This is the pool. We got more trees and stuff back here.
Woman.
Oh!
Hey.
Oh. Everyone's teaming up on Jan. Oh!
Oh! Got him.
Hey, we got a cheater!
Hey, can I see the camera?
Thumbs up if you think Michaela should be a thorn in the pool.
Hey, should I?
Oh!
Battle of videographers.
Oh! Oh, you missed! Oh! So the question... You just got my manager's laptop wet, Mo. Div, I apologize. Please continue making us money.
All good.
You know Div makes all the money around here, right? You know this camera I'm holding in my hand, the $5,000 camera? You know what I paid for it? Basically, Div. And when you get him wet like that, buddy... Okay, thank you. Let's not get Div wet again, okay? Ready for the pool?
Ice water.
I know what? Oh my god, it's his shoes!
Doesn't work. Hi.
What's up?
Are you recording my nipple? What is wrong with you?
see it.
Fans don't want to see my nipple. Alright, we have a bit of a special segment here called Hooman Fire Breathing. By the way, do not try this at home. Alright, I'm ready.
That's a lot.
Holy shit. That's a lot. Whoa.
You're crazy.
You okay, bro?
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this crazy home tour. I did my best to show you guys around while I was being attacked by water balloons. Yeah! And more importantly, thank you to my awesome friends for coming over today and joining me. Whoa! What are you guys doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Got him.
Things happen very fast. I apologize for every... Oh no.
How bad is it?
Alright, that was a pretty good way to end the party, I would say. Alright, thank you.
Good way to end the party.
Oh, this is why you should not have long hair. Turn around. Oh no. Oh no.
What the heck is going on, bro?
Guys, AJ is having a bad day today. I'm not really sure what happened to him. Everyone go on his Instagram and comment on his last picture and say, AJ, you're a wonderful human being and have a good day. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video, and as always,
I'll see you on the next video. Peace. It didn't work. Peace.